Hello and welcome to the demo triangle time. Today we're going to learn how to create a website in seconds. It's so easy, even a child can do it. Alright, the first step is to create a account. So we're going to create an account and we're going to call it demo take 6. We are not registered. I forgot, so we're going to register now. Alright, now we will enter our user info again. Log in. Okay, so when you log in, you'll get to this page, which is the template chooser. Right now we only have one template, which is this one, but we're looking to expand in the future. So we're going to choose a name for our template, and we're going to call it Demo 6. Alright, cool. So now we're in the template editor, where you can see a bunch of stuff that we can edit. So we can edit things like the logo. If you select a logo from the file chooser and click upload, it will change to that. Cool. The background color and the navbar color, which is pretty exciting. Descriptions over here, we can change or just get rid of by deleting. But then we can add them back by typing again. So that's cool. We have a gallery over here. You don't have to have any of these here. You can just remove all the blocks and add them later. And add your own photos as well and describe them. So that's pretty cool. Down here we have the about, where you can use the provided templates we have for you to describe yourself, the people who made this site. I'm sure there's other creative uses for this as well. And you can describe that or just remove them altogether. And of course you can add them back if they're all removed. And notice you can actually change the name of this about section to something else, like whatever, go home. And then it will change up here in the navbar as well as down here, and you'll be able to navigate to that. And lastly, we have the contact, where you can just edit your contact info. We gave you a basic template. You can really put whatever you want there. And as well, you can change it there to like contract, and it will show up there as well. Alright, so that's cool. Also, we have the ability to add our own subpages. So if you go here under the gallery, we can click Add Subpage. We'll call that whatever we want. We will call it New Page 1. Okay. And we can add stuff like a bunch of text. We can just type and type. And we can have that there. We can have smaller text. We can have text with images next to it. And also we can have an image carousel with images as well as descriptions and headings and stuff. So that's cool. And of course we can always add another subpage, call it whatever, okay, and add more elements there. So once you're done, once your site is however you're satisfied with it being, you can save it, and it will save like that. And you can also click publish, and then your site will be published. So then it will redirect you to this page called My Pages, where you can see published sites, the sites that you've published. We've only published Demo 6, but you notice when you go to Demo 6, all the UI elements have been stripped, and now it's just the elements as if it were a real site. So we've designed it, we put our own images and our own subpages here, and we have our text and our photos there as well. And in our photo thing we have that photos that we uploaded and the description DWWD, and these about pages and the contact. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Just like that, you can create a site with all of these different elements, or none of them if you want. I suppose you could have a blank site. So now we can go back. We can go. We can edit our page again, and we can go back and change it again. So I changed the background color. Here, I'll change it to something more drastic so that's easier to tell. Right? Now I can save that again and publish that again. And now when we go back to Demo 6, it is published all red. So the idea is that people will be able to view your site at this URL. Cool. Of course, you can view popular pages. Right now, I only have 2 users on this account. You can see AD, right, which are just pages that other users have created, and mine is on there as well. And we can delete our page if we get tired of it, and then it won't show up in View My Pages anymore. And then we can just go ahead and create a new one. So yeah, the possibilities are endless on what you can do. There's so many ways to create a site that fits your needs. Like, you could go here, you could create a site, you could get rid of all of this stuff, whatever, get rid of the description, get rid of these photo blocks, get rid of the about, get rid of the contact, right, and then just add a subpage and call it like blog post number 1, and then you could just add a paragraph there about your blog. And then we're basically using the site as a blog site. We can publish that as well. And now if you go there, it looks like a blog, with your own logo if you want and everything. So yeah, it's super versatile. You can do anything from a photo gallery to a blog, and I see a lot of potential for it. We're planning on introducing new templates soon. It works really well. There's some bugs. Check our GitHub repo for that info. But yeah, thanks for joining me in the demo.